Assalamu alaikum class. Okay, so today we are going to start Act 2. There was some issue in the class, so that's why I am recording this video. And Act 2 took place in a room of Portia's house in Belmont. In this one, Morocco Prince entered with his attendants, and Portia, Nerissa, and her attendant also present there. And Morocco king said that okay, do not dislike me, because he was very black complexion. So he said that do not dislike me because of my complexion. It has the dark color of those exposed to the hot sun, to whom I am a neighbor and a close relative too. And I tell you that my appearance has frightened the most courageous men. By my love, I swear that the noblest maidens of my land have loved it. I would not change my complexion except to win over your favor, my gentle queen. So he was just explaining, he was just praising that even he has a dark complexion, he is most favorable person in his land. Okay, then Portia answered that as regards the choice, I am not entirely moved by the external appearance which attracts a young lady. Besides, the lottery designed by my father prevented me from choosing a man of my liking. So, my father had limited my freedom and bound me by this lottery, which has wisdom has devised, stating that I must marry him, whoever wins me by the method I have told you. If not, famous prince, you would have had a fair chance as any other suitor I have seen so far. But Morocco prince, he said that, oh, I thank you for this. Therefore, I request you to lead me to once to the casket that I may try my luck. And I swear by this sword with which I slew the Shah of Persia and a Persian prince who had won 3 battles against the Sultan of Turkey, I would definitely look into the most fierce eyes. I would challenge the most brave men on earth. I would snatch away the young sucking cubs from the mother bear, even challenge the hungry lion which is roaring for his prey, in order to win you. But alas, if the great Hercules and his servant Lichas play a game of dice to decide which is the better man, the winning throw may come by chance from the hand of the weaker man. In this way, Hercules may be defeated by his servant by his servant. So if I have only blind chance to win, I may miss that which one less worthy may win. In that case, I should die of sorrow. Now Portia said that you must take your chance. In fact, either you should not attempt to choose the casket, or swear before choosing that if you make the wrong choice, you will never again woo another lady. So on the subject of marriage, think carefully before you choose, because it was the will of her father that whoever lose the chance to get the correct casket, he cannot marry to any women ever. Okay. So Morocco prince said, no, I will not. Come, lead me to the place that I may make my choice. Portia said, first, let us go to the temple. After dinner, your difficult choice will be made. Morocco prince said that, okay, may I have the good fortune, the choice will make me the most happy or the most cursed among men. Why he said that the most happy or the most cursed among men? Because if he win the casket, if he choose the correct casket and got married with the Portia, then he will be the happiest person. But the cursed among men, why? If he will not be the winner, he will not choose the correct casket, then he cannot marry any other woman after this task. Okay, so if he win, he will be the happiest person of the earth, and if he lose, then he will be the cursed among all the men. Okay, so this is all about scene 1, act 2, scene 1. Inshallah, next class I will means I will explain about the scene 2 to all of you. Okay? Okay. Thank you so much. Jazakallah. Allah Hafiz.